EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for February 8th, 2021. For your Monday, we're expecting mostly sunny skies, but very cold conditions across the region as we have high pressure in control of our weather, and we're going to have very light winds today and very nice weather for one of the few days this week. We're going to have nice weather. We're going to get into a very, very active pattern here over the next week plus. We only go to 7 days here in these videos, but I'm telling you, there's going to be, we have 3 storm signals to identify here in just the next 7 days. There's actually some beyond that. So if you're not a fan of snow, this is not going to be your time frame over the next couple of weeks here. So looking at today, again, mostly sunny skies, increasing clouds tonight ahead of our next system. The good news is this first system that's coming through is rather weak. It's just a weak wave moving across our region, and it's going to give us a few snow showers. Very comparable to the system we had, losing track of days here, but let me think about this. This would have been, there's so many events, it's hard to keep track. I think this was Friday morning. The system Friday morning we had this past week, which brought very minor accumulations of snow across the region. This is going to be during the day here on Tuesday. Actually, it's going to come in very late at night on Monday night, so tonight, and then going into Tuesday morning. So here's the NAM high-res future simulator radar showing that. Here's midnight and is moving this forward, and you can see a few snow showers moving across the region. Again, this is not a big deal with this first one. Going into Tuesday morning, and generally by noon or so, this is pretty much done, and this is the total accumulation of snow that the NAM 3 kilometer has right here. Generally an inch or two. In a few spots, not everywhere, but a few spots, we'll see an inch or two of snow out of this. This is just something just to add to the total and add to the if you're not a snow lover, this is the misery of winter that's going to keep continuing. This is nothing compared to what we're going to have going forward, and we have a lot of opportunity going forward here in the week ahead. So we go ahead to Wednesday. Partly and mostly cloudy skies expected here, partly cloudy to start, mostly cloudy later in the day. Then another increase in clouds, and we have another system that's going to produce what we call overrunning precipitation, which is we have a boundary off to our south, which is kind of situated kind of like this. There's your boundary, and you just have wave after wave moving along this boundary from west to east. It's just going to continue to set up these lows right along that boundary there. And since we're on the colder side of this boundary, we're going to be in the form of snow for the most part. So here's a look at Thursday, Wednesday night and Thursday. The first focus here is on our southern areas, straddling the Mason-Dixon line. So you have a little bit of light snow there. Not a lot of snow, but these are going to add up. Okay, so this is the first wave along the Mason-Dixon line. The NAM future simulator radar going out that range that does keep this in that range, brings it in that same area here. It's just mainly straddling the Mason-Dixon line with this snow here. Okay, this is not a huge snowstorm. This is probably like a 2 to 4, 3 to 6 type deal. Okay, but this is accumulating snow nevertheless, and this is going to continue to add to season totals. And then that is the first of 2 waves, and then there's one that comes in right behind it with this northern stream energy jumping through to combine with this area of low pressure along that boundary to our south and this overrunning precipitation, and brings you more snow Thursday night into Friday. And that's going to benefit areas a little bit further north this time. So there's going to be a lot of chances here. This is all. This is only the second wave, actually. I know there's 2 separate waves here that I'm showing here, distinct waves, but this is all. We're going to combine that into one big general system here in the second week as far as storm signals are concerned. So we have a third behind that in the 7-day, and this is the next system coming in. We have a little bit of a break here Friday night and to start Saturday, and then yet another system that could bring some snow. Again, not a major system here, but there is an opportunity for more snow here later Saturday into Sunday. So we have, if you look at our local forecast, we got snowflakes on every single day except for today during the day, and again on Wednesday during the day. That's it. The rest of the 7-day forecast has at least some chance of snow in it. So there's going to be opportunities for snow here. Again, nothing major really. At least we're not thinking it's going to be major. It could be, but we're going to continue to monitor that throughout the week and see how this all plays out. But there's a lot of activity here in the week ahead, and this goes beyond this. If I take this beyond this point, and go into next week, we have another chance of a system coming toward us. This is a listed storm signal long range outlook for the 16th, 17th time frame. So this is going to next Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So we have a lot of things lining up here. So if you're a snow lover, you're definitely liking this pattern, because we haven't had a pattern like this where you have one after another after another after another of opportunity. But that's certainly going to be the case over the next 7 to 10 days, maybe even beyond that. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there for the latter signals. Right now, we're just dealing with ones that are in the immediate 7-day period, which does not include next Tuesday and Wednesday. We're just talking about a chance for some snow showers here on Tuesday. Well, some places will get a couple inch or two out of that. Thursday, Friday could be over 2 separate waves that give you 3 to 6, 4 to 8, something like that in different areas. And then you have another system coming this weekend that could provide some significant snow for parts of our region from later Saturday through Sunday morning at least. So plenty of things to watch here over the next week. Just stay tuned with us. We'll give you the latest information as we have it. I'm EPA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for February 8th, 2021. Have a great Monday.